Hi friends, let me show you this new power bank or battery, external battery that I just received. It is a portable one. It's great if you like to do outdoor activities or if you work on the go. Of course, having an external battery like this is great because it will give you hours of energy for your devices. It comes with the user manual, of course, all the information you need. Let me show you. It's really nice. It's really nice size. Okay. You can see, well, it has a lot of ports here. This one, you will charge it in this port. You can charge it from an outlet, from your car lighter, or even if you have portable solar panels, you could charge it with the solar panels. The solar panels are not included, but you could charge it with it, okay? So you get this cable to charge it directly from the outlet. You get this cable to charge it directly from the car lighter, and this is the cable that will help you to charge it from the solar panels, okay? Well, you charge it through this port. Then you can get energy from all these ports, DC like a car charger, some other DC ports, USB ports, USB-C, USB-A, and 2 regular outlets, okay? So you get everything you need. You can even, let me turn it on, it should have some, okay. It has some charging power. You can even use it as a flashlight. So you can get some light. If you're working somewhere and you need light, it will help you more, even stronger light. And you will get all the information about how the battery is being used, how many hours you have left, and we are going to try it with different accessories. Let me show you. Okay, so first we are going to show you how to charge it. We are going to use a regular outlet or office outlet, or a regular outlet. Okay. Perfect. So as you can see, it's telling you that it's charging, okay? Okay, it's telling you that it will take about 1.7 hours to be fully charged. So that way you are able to charge it and have exact information about how long it will take to charge it, okay? So now, I told you you can charge it with your car lighter and with a portable solar panel that is not included. Okay, let's see, now we are going to use it. You can still use the features if it's charging, okay? So if for any reason you need light or something when you're charging the battery, the power bank, you can still use it. Okay, let's use it. Okay, now we are going to use it. We want to turn it on again. Okay, so as I tell you, it indicates that it has, it says 99 hours because nothing is connected. Okay, and that it has 66% of its own charging. Okay, so first I'm going to show you, I'm going to pretend that I am camping. I am going to charge my watch with the USB port, as you can see. Okay. You turn the outlets on, okay, and you get the power to charge, okay. So you have to turn on the actual accessories. Then I'm going to use the other USB port to charge my phone, okay. So it's charging, okay, and I am going to use this AC outlet. I am going to turn them on also, okay, and I am going to charge this camping mosquito light. So as you can see, I am charging now 3 devices, and let me tell you what you can see here. Okay, I hope you see it. Okay, it tells you that charging these accessories, it's telling you that it's using the USB and the AC outlets. So it's going to give you all the information about what it is actually doing, and it's going to be calculating how long it will take it to be like deplenish from power, okay? So my friends, as you know, nowadays we need energy for everything, and we can't allow ourselves to be traveling or working on the road and don't have enough energy for our devices. If we are in a business or pleasure trip, we want our phones or watches or iPads or our computers, everything to be charged. So I think this portable power bank or battery, it's a great option. As you can see, it's small enough. The size is really nice. It has a lot of options to be charging equipment, and it gives you all the information that you need to be safe, to know exactly how much energy you have left, or if you really need to charge the actual battery. So, well, of course you could do that while you're in the hotel, or if it's really an emergency, you could stop by a coffee shop, whatever. So this is a great accessory. If you travel, if you are on the go a lot, I really recommend this kind of accessory, this power bank to power generator to be with you all the time. Thank you.